demonstrate a short classroom discussion about a linear equation in one variable. Before we start, let us introduce ourselves. My name is Asra Asmedewi, last name 076, and my friends.
My name is Nikomaya Kayani, my last name 071, and my friend.
My name is Niputu Amrul Pratnyasari and my last name 080 and my friend.
My name is Indra Gatirsa and my last name is 065.
My name is Made Arita Dewi and my last name is 081. My friends.
My name is Ana Agustri Desanti and last name 077, and my friend.
My name is Nikita Kayanti. My last name is 072.
The students in this dialogue are Ayu, Junita, Kayanti, Agatha, Anggun, and Santi. In this simulation, I will act as the teacher and my classmates will act as the students in the classroom discussion. Through this conversation, we will show how a teacher can guide students to understand mathematical concepts through discussion, questions, and peer interaction. Now, we will begin our classroom conversation. Good morning, everyone. How are you today?
Good morning, Miss. We are good. Thank you.
I'm glad to hear that. Before we start today's lesson, let me check the attendance first. Ayu,
Present, Miss.
Ari Junita,
Present, Miss.
Ari Trikayanti,
Here, Miss.
Agatha,
Present, Miss.
Anggun,
Present, Miss.
and Santi.
Present, Miss.
Okay. Great. Everyone is here today. Thank you for coming on time, and now we can begin our lesson. Today we will continue discussing linear equation in one variable. But instead of only listening to me, I want this class to feel more like a discussion. You can share ideas, respond to your friends, agree, disagree, or add different perspective. Okay?
Okay, Miss.
Excuse me, Miss. Before we go deeper into the topic, I have a question. Why is algebra considered important in mathematics?
That's a very truthful question, Junita. Thank you for asking that. What do the others think? Ayu, would you like to share your opinion?
I think algebra helps us think logically and systematically. It trains us to solve problems step by step.
That's a good point, Ayu. Logical thinking is indeed one of the main goals of learning algebra.
I agree with Ayu. Algebra is not only about numbers, but also about recognizing pattern and relationship between quantities.
Excellent observation, Ari. Algebra really helps us see patterns and understand how different quantities are related. Now, let's talk about the core concept. When we discuss a linear equation, what is the most essential characteristic?
The variable only has the first degree.
Correct, Anggun. That is one of the main characteristics.
And if we draw the graph, it forms a straight line.
Exactly, Santi. That's why it is called linear.
It also means the relationship between the variable is simple and proportional.
Very good explanation, Agatha. I like how you connected the algebraic concept with graphical understanding.
Miss, so basically, linear means straight, not curve.
Yes, that's exactly right. The word linear comes from the idea of a straight line. Now, let's talk about another important idea, the principle of balance. Why do you think balance is important in equation?
Because an equation represents equality between two sides.
If we change one side without adjusting the other side, the equality will disappear.
It
It's like fairness. Both sides must be treated the same.
That's why every mathematical operation must be applied to both sides. Excellent explanation from all of you. I like how each of you added something meaningful to the discussion.
Miss, sometimes students say they move numbers to the other side of the equations. Is that actually correct, Miss?
That's a very interesting point. In mathematics, we don't really move numbers. What we actually do is apply inverse operation.
Miss, so when teachers say move it the other side, it is just a shortcut way of explaining?
Exactly. It is a simplified way of speaking. But understanding the real logic behind it is much more important. Now, imagine we have an equation where the variable appears on both sides. What strategy would you use to solve it?
I would collect all the variable terms on one side and move to the constant to the other side.
Then simplify the equation step by step.
But we have to be very careful with the sign when simplifying.
Yes, sign mistakes happen very often.
That's true. Even a small sign error can change the entire result.
Miss, I want to ask, what happens if we make a small mistake in the middle of the process?
Good question. What do you think, Junita?
Miss, it will affect all the next steps.
That's why checking the solution at the end is very important.
Exactly. Verification is a very important habit in mathematics.
Junita, when you solve the equation, what do you usually focus on first?
I usually try to identify the variable first and the next understand what needs to be eliminated.
Do you write every step?
Yes, of course. I used skip step before, but now I try to write everything clearly.
Same here. When I skipped step before, I couldn't find my mistakes later.
Writing each step carefully really helped me understand the logic.
I think clear writing reflects clear thinking.
It is a very strong and meaningful statement, Agatha. I really like that idea. Why do you think many students feel that algebra is difficult?
Maybe because they see many symbols and feel intimidating.
Yes, sometimes the symbols look complicated even though the logic is actually simple. Fear can make things seem harder than they really are.
But once we understand the balance concept, it becomes much clearer.
And practicing regularly build confidence.
And also discussing with friends can reduce confusions.
I completely agree with all of you. Before we end the lesson, I would like each of you to share one key insight from today's discussion. Junita, would you start?
Miss, I learned that the algebra is about logical balance, not just a symbol.
I learned that understanding the reason behind each step is very important. I learned that identifying the structure of an equation is the first step in solving it.
Okay, Miss. I learned that careful simplification can prevent many mistakes.
I learned that collaboration helps us understand concept better.
For me, Miss, I learned that checking our solution strengthens our mathematical reasoning.
I'm very proud of all of you today. You didn't just answer questions, but you also analyzed, reflected, and supported each other's ideas. For homework, please write a short reflection explaining why balance is the foundation of solving linear equation and how discussion help you to understand the concept better.
Thank you, Miss.
You're welcome. See you in the next meeting. Keep thinking critically and